Hey guys, welcome to a MGF update. Yes, it's stripped apart. I've taken the soft top apart. This video is more of a reminder for myself how I put it together. Soft top goes on top of this bits over here. I had to rivet all these points out, so this has been removed. The clear on the clear plastic failed, so I had to put temporary duct tape, and I got this out. I'm gonna send this off to be refurbished. When you open up here, the soft top, there are mounts here which are opened up, and there are clips all the way across which goes. And now I'm in the other layer here, and inside there you can see there are rivets which I need to rivet them out. I need to directly drill this out and then open this, and again same thing, somewhere here I got to drill these rivets out. So when all this is removed, the soft top will go to a person to follow this template and get it made. But yeah, so this is my painful process of removing the soft top, trying to keep the cost as low as possible, so I'm doing the work all myself. The top itself is fairly okay, some rips here and there, but major concern is I got to restitch all the lining here and then do a new clear. I might even do a clear delete because I have a camera on this car with a display, so I may not even need the clear on this side, but that's how it goes. And this is the update on the MGF. Overall she looks nice, she's good to drive, but the soft top needs work. But this one, the Porsche Boxster, is all done and it's beautiful, works very well. So quick update on my MGF.